So this is the space that I'm working with. It's the loft. It's a room made above the double attached garage. And we've used it for, well, we've been here 9 or 10 years, maybe even 11 now. Good heavens. And so I am going to do my best to organize. If any of you have any advice as to how to put this stuff together, that'd be awesome. Just leave it in the comments below, because I really appreciate some help. Yeah, once I get going, I might be okay, but I could really use some advice from all of you. And I know that. I know I can use that. Anyway, this is the whole space. So what I thought of doing was setting up, because I do multimedia. I do different sort of art. So I do pours, acrylic pours, I do resin pours, I do fluid art. Let's just call it resin pours and acrylic pours together, fluid art. And I also have embossing. I put clocks together. This is my husband's stuff over here. This is all of his, oh, there's even behind the door. Oh my God, there's so much behind the door. The two of us are collectors. Me more than him though, but I mean his isn't organized. His is completely organized because he is, I don't want to say A-type because he's not A-type, but his executive functioning works very well. Let's just say that. He got 2 degrees online through correspondence with reputable universities here in Canada. So you know that's got to be all right. Anyway, he has the executive thinking. I lack in it sometimes, and I don't want to say that I lack in it anymore. I'm aware that I need to work on it, and so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just slowly showing you the space that I've got and hoping that maybe some of you will have some suggestions that I could use. I really wish that I could go out and buy some paint for the walls. But you know what I think I'm going to do? Before I go hanging my paints again, because this is wallpaper. This stuff has been up here probably since the 1980s, right? It's just drywall in behind here. That's all it is, drywall and mud. So I'm thinking, what a great canvas, right? So that's what I'm going to do with the walls. But I'm not going to do that until I have everything in here and organized, and then I'll pull one portion away from the wall to paint that. And I'll do some funky stuff on it. I'm really enjoying abstract, and I'm really loving the channels that I've honed into for copy, free copyright music. There's a lot of artists out there, man, that want their music played. So, hey, if there's any artists out there, like music artists, that want their music played, the only thing I ask is, hey, I'll play it on my channel, but please, no expletives. I can't do that because I think there's a lot of sort of different people that wouldn't appreciate that very much. So, digital music, what is it, disco? Look, I just aged myself, didn't I? And I just said an expletive. I apologize. I'm working on that. I've got my TV on in the background. You can probably hear it. So, give me some advice. Because I'm struggling here. I'm gonna start moving stuff around, and once I get going, I don't know what's gonna happen. But if you've got any advice for how to organize stuff or what what sort of units to buy or to get to put stuff in, that'd be great. Anyway, sorry for the expletives in the background as well. I just can't post it on my YouTube channel, which I'm doing right now. Oh my God, this is I make myself laugh all the time. You guys, I hope you're all healthy and happy, staying safe, being kind to yourselves, taking this opportunity to make some changes for the better, because we all can do that. I know I am, definitely. This is all of this is just teaching me that family is so important, and I hope it's helping the young people realize that you can't just get by on social media and computers alone. I'm hoping that this is some sort of way of saying, okay, you guys, you're spending so much time on social media and it's your choice. Well, I'm going to take that choice away from you. And now I'm going to insist that it's all you can do to communicate with other people. So when this is all said and done, folks, I really, really pray that maybe when I see people sitting on the bench, they'll be talking to each other and not texting each other through their phones. Because human contact's pretty important. Cheers. Be kind to each other. For heaven's sakes, be kind to each other.